Once upon a time, in a distant future where islands floated amidst the stars, there was a majestic planet called Jamaica. At its heart was the legendary kingdom ruled by King Darlington, a wise and brave leader known for his vibrant spirit and unwavering courage. His queen Doris was celebrated for her grace and wisdom, guiding the kingdom through times of peace and challenge alike. King Darlington and Queen Doris had two wonderful children, Princess Megan, a curious and adventurous girl with a passion for exploring the cosmos, and Prince Harry, a daring young prince with dreams of uniting the stars. One day, a mysterious signal from a distant galaxy reached Jamaica. It was a call for help from an ancient alien civilization trapped by a malfunctioning starship. Without hesitation, the royal family decided to embark on a daring mission to aid their distant friends. Using their advanced technology, they boarded the royal starship, the Celestial Crown, and set off across the universe. As they navigated through shimmering nebulae and cosmic storms, Princess Megan's curiosity led her to discover a hidden asteroid with strange symbols etched upon its surface. Prince Harry, ever brave, suggested they investigate further. Together, they uncovered an ancient device that held the key to repairing the stranded alien ship. Meanwhile, King Darlington and Queen Doris worked tirelessly to decode the alien technology, blending their wisdom with the knowledge from their starship's AI. Their teamwork led to a breakthrough, enabling them to send a rescue beacon. Within moments, the trapped civilization was freed, and they sent their gratitude across the stars. Returning home as heroes, the royal family was celebrated across Jamaica. King Darlington's leadership and Queen Doris's compassion had once again united their kingdom and extended their goodwill beyond the stars. Princess Megan and Prince Harry knew that their adventures had only just begun, for the universe was vast, and their destiny was to be the guardians of peace and explorers of the unknown. And so, in the shimmering glow of their celestial kingdom, the Jamaican king, his queen, and their children continued to dream beyond the stars, inspiring future generations to reach for their own limitless horizons.